Hello everyone, welcome to my video China in my eyes, the subway system in Hangzhou. Today I wanted to introduce the modern subway system in Hangzhou and share my experience using it in daily life. The subway system in Hangzhou is very convenient and easy to use. Every day thousands of people use the metro to go to work, school and other places. Currently the Hangzhou Metro has 12 lines with a total network length of more than 516 kilometers and 262 stations across the city. The subway system connects many important areas and makes transportation faster and more comfortable for residents and visitors. After entering the station, one thing I immediately noticed is how clean and organized everything is. The floors, walls, and waiting areas are kept very tidy, and the environment feels comfortable and modern. There are also clear signs in both Chinese and English, which makes it easier for international students and tourists to use the metro. Inside many metro stations, there are small shops, convenience stores, and vending machines. People can buy snacks, drinks, coffee, and other daily things while traveling. These stores make the subway system more convenient for passengers and add more life to the stations. There are several ways to enter and use the Hangzhou Metro. Many people use QR codes from mobile payment apps such as Alipay to pass through the gates quickly and conveniently. Passengers can also buy tickets from the machines inside the station. In addition, metro cards can be purchased directly from the staff at the service counters. These different payment methods make the subway system easy to use for both local people and foreign visitors. Before entering the subway platform, all passengers must go through a security check. If people have bags or luggage, they need to place them through a scanning machine for inspection. This helps keep the metro safe for everyone. After the security check, passengers can enter the station by scanning a QR code or tapping their cards or tickets at the gate. While waiting for the metro, passengers usually stand behind the safety line and wait for the train to arrive. The waiting time is normally very short because the trains come frequently and on time. Digital screens on the platform show the arrival time and important information for passengers. Compared to many other forms of transportation, the Hangzhou Metro is faster, cleaner, and more conveniently. It helps people avoid heavy traffic and saves a lot of time during daily travel.